The rescuers reached the skiers, found them apparently unharmed, but they nevertheless were taken to the hospital for observation. Again, let's look for the subject and the verbs. It's obvious that here there'll be more than one verb, so it's got to be either a compound or a complex sentence. So let's find the subject. The subject, the rescuers. What did they do? The rescuers reached the skiers. That's number one. Number two, they found them unharmed. But number three, they took them to the hospital for observation, because one, two, and three, they have the same subject, the rescuers. You cannot simply flip it over and then this they suddenly refers to the skiers. So A is definitely wrong. B, let's see, the rescuers reached the skiers, finding them apparently unharmed and nevertheless taking. No, that's wrong. Yeah, this is a verb. This needs to be a verb. This needs to be a verb. C, they reached the skiers who were found apparently unharmed, nevertheless taking. Again, this does not make sense. It has to be nevertheless and then a verb. D, the rescuers reached the skiers and found them apparently unharmed, but nevertheless took them to the hospital for observation. Perfect, this is correct, because number one, they reached the skiers. Number two, they found them unharmed. Number three, they still took them to the hospital for observation. Verb, verb, verb. Correct. Or past tense. D is the correct answer, but let's just talk about E. E, the rescuers reached the skiers, apparently found unharmed. Oh, this is wrong already, because here you can't have the first section, the subject is the rescuers. The second section, it seems to be the skiers apparently found unharmed. And then the third section, the subject is the skiers who were taken. So that's wrong. So D is the correct answer.